20 colorful container gardening ideas for flowers. Add vibrant hues to your garden with these 20 colorful container gardening ideas for flowers. Create breathtaking displays, from rainbow cascades to butterfly bonanzas. Transform your outdoor space into a kaleidoscope of colors. Prepare to be dazzled by my 20 vibrant container gardening ideas. Whether you crave a cascade of rainbows or a fiery fiesta, I've got a colorful scheme for every flower enthusiast. From azure symphonies to tropical paradises, I'll guide you in creating stunning displays that will transform your outdoor space into a botanical wonderland. 1. Rainbow cascade with geraniums and petunias. Create a spectacular rainbow effect with rainbow cascade, petunias and geraniums. Combine vibrant hues for a dazzling display that cascades down the sides of containers. Plant trailing geraniums in contrasting colors along the edges, allowing their blooms to spill over the rim. Intersperse upright rainbow cascade, petunias throughout for a splash of cascading color. This symphony of blooms will brighten any patio or balcony from spring to fall. 2. Fiery fiesta with salvia, marigolds, and zinnias. Create a dazzling display in your garden with a fiery fiesta of salvia, marigolds, and zinnias. Salvia's vibrant spikes of red, purple, or blue add height and drama, while marigold's cheerful yellow and orange blooms bring warmth and texture. Zinnias, with their daisy-like flowers in a kaleidoscope of colors, complete the ensemble with their long-lasting blooms. Plant these three together to create a captivating spectacle that will attract butterflies and hummingbirds to your outdoor space. 3. Azure symphony with hydrangeas, delphiniums, and lupins. Create a breathtaking display with the Azure Symphony collection featuring hydrangeas, delphiniums, and lupins. These towering beauties will add height and drama to your containers. The hydrangea's massive, showy blooms will steal the spotlight, while the delphinium's stately spires reach skyward. Lupins add a touch of whimsy with their delicate, airy flower spikes. This trio will create a stunning focal point in any garden or patio. 4. Lemon drop delight with sunflowers, zinnias, and cosmos. Brighten up your garden with a lemon drop delight. Plant lemon drop sunflowers to add cheerful height. Surround them with vibrant zinnias in hues of pink, purple, and orange. Finish the arrangement with airy cosmos in soft white or blush. This trio will create a captivating splash of color that attracts pollinators and adds a touch of summery charm to your outdoor space. 5. Tropical paradise with hibiscus, crotons, and begonias. Create a lush, exotic oasis with a container garden filled with the vibrant hues of hibiscus, crotons, and begonias. These tropical beauties thrive in warm, humid environments and will add a touch of paradise to any outdoor space. Choose varieties with contrasting colors and textures for a stunning display that will bloom profusely throughout the summer. To keep your plants happy and healthy, ensure they receive plenty of sunlight and regular watering, and fertilize them monthly. With proper care, this tropical paradise will provide a feast for the eyes all season long. 6. Jewel box abundance with sunflowers, geraniums, and impatiens. 6. Jewel box abundance with sunflowers, geraniums, and impatiens. Thrive in a breathtaking jewel box with sunflowers, geraniums, and impatiens. The towering sunflowers take center stage, their golden blooms reaching for the sky. Geraniums, with their vibrant hues of pink, red, and white, cascade over the edges, adding a touch of softness. And in the foreground, impatiens unfurl their delicate petals, creating a stunning tapestry of color that will brighten any space. 7. Fairy dust with lobelia, aubrita, and alyssum. 7. Fairy dust with lobelia, aubrita, and alyssum. Fairy dust is a captivating combination of lobelia, aubrita, and alyssum. This trio creates a cascade of color, resembling a sprinkle of fairy dust over your containers. Lobelia adds spikes of deep blue or purple, while aubrita spills over the edges with a blanket of lavender or pink. 7. Fairy dust with lobelia, aubrita, and alyssum. Fairy dust is a captivating combination of lobelia. Alyssum adds a delicate touch of white or yellow, softening the overall effect. This charming mix will attract pollinators and add a whimsical touch to your outdoor space. 8. Butterfly bonanza with buddleia, lantana, and salvia. Bring a flutter of vibrant wings to your garden with a butterfly-friendly container arrangement featuring buddleia, lantana, and salvia. Buddleia, commonly known as the butterfly bush, is a magnet for butterflies with its clusters of fragrant, nectar-rich flowers. Lantana blooms in a kaleidoscope of colors, providing a long-lasting nectar source. Salvia, with its colorful spikes or clusters of blossoms, offers an additional feast for butterflies and other pollinators. These three plants together create a butterfly bonanza, attracting a variety of species to your outdoor space. As they flutter from flower to flower, they help pollinate your other plants, promoting biodiversity and a healthy ecosystem in your garden. 9. Hummingbird haven with fuchsia, salvia, and impatiens. Transform your outdoor space into a vibrant oasis with a hummingbird haven featuring fuchsia, salvia, and impatiens. These flowers are hummingbird magnets, attracting them with their bright colors and sweet nectar. The fuchsia's delicate flowers cascade gracefully, while the vibrant red and purple salvia add a touch of drama. Impatiens provide pops of color with their saucer-shaped blooms, even in partial shade. This hummingbird haven will not only bring beauty to your garden, but also provide a delightful display of these fascinating creatures. 10. Pollinato are single quotes s delight with marigolds, zinnias, and black-eyed Susans. When composing a vibrant container garden, don't forget the pollinators. Marigolds, zinnias, and black-eyed Susans burst with color and provide a delightful feast for these crucial creatures. Marigolds deter pests with their strong scent, while zinnias attract an array of butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds. Black-eyed Susans, with their cheerful golden blooms, are a favorite of honeybees. Incorporating these pollinator-friendly blooms into your container creations will not only enhance the beauty of your garden, but also support the well-being of the entire ecosystem. 11. Shaded sanctuary with begonias, impatiens, and ferns. Escape into a shaded sanctuary with a harmonious blend of begonias, impatiens, and ferns. The lush foliage of begonias adds a splash of color in various shades, while impatiens contribute a vibrant, cheerful touch. Delicate ferns provide a graceful contrast, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere perfect for relaxing and unwinding. Let this shaded sanctuary become your tranquil retreat, where you can immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. 12. Vibrant tapestry with geraniums, petunias, and marigolds. Imagine a container teeming with the vibrant hues of geraniums, petunias, and marigolds. These flowers, with their diverse blooms and varied heights, create a captivating tapestry that will brighten any outdoor space. Geraniums, with their cheerful blooms in shades of pink, red, and purple, add a touch of whimsy. Petunias, in their cascading glory, offer a waterfall of color in shades of white, blue, and pink. And marigolds, with their bright orange and yellow blossoms, bring a burst of sunshine to the arrangement. Together, these flowers form a harmonious blend of colors and textures, creating a vibrant display that will attract pollinators and add life to your patio, balcony, or garden. 13. Kaleidoscope carnival with sunflowers, zinnias, and marigolds. Prepare to be mesmerized by the kaleidoscope carnival, a dazzling display of sunflowers, zinnias, and marigolds. These vibrant blooms burst forth in a symphony of colors, creating a captivating spectacle. Plant them in succession to ensure a kaleidoscope of hues throughout the season. Sunflowers, with their imposing stature, intertwine with cheerful zinnias and fiery marigolds. 14. Tropical oasis with cannas, hibiscus, and palms. Transform your ordinary containers into a tropical paradise with a vibrant assortment of cannas, hibiscus, and palms. Towering cannas at height and drana, boasting sword-like foliage and showy blooms in shades of red, orange, and yellow. Hibiscus captivates with its large, trumpet-shaped flowers that bloom in a rainbow of colors, from fiery reds to soft pinks. To complete the tropical ambience, add graceful palm trees, bringing a touch of lush greenery and a hint of exotic allure to your outdoor space. 15. Edible extravaganza with tomatoes, herbs, and flowers. Add a pop of color and mouth-watering flavors to your container garden with an edible extravaganza featuring tomatoes, herbs, and flowers. Start with compact, patio-friendly tomato varieties like Sweet Million or Tiny Tim, Surround them with fragrant herbs like basil, thyme, and rosemary, which not only add flavor but also deter pests. Enhance the aesthetic appeal with vibrant edible flowers like nasturtiums and pansies. This edible arrangement provides a feast for the eyes and taste buds, making it a truly unique and delicious addition to your outdoor space. 16. Whimsical woodland with ferns, hostas, and primroses. Create a whimsical woodland atmosphere in a container with a trio of woodland favorites: graceful ferns, lush hostas, and delicate primroses. Ferns add a touch of elegance with their arching fronds, while hostas provide bold foliage and texture. Primroses add a splash of color with their cheerful blooms in shades of pink, yellow, and purple. Together, these plants evoke the beauty and tranquility of a woodland glade. 17. Succulent symphony with echeveria, sedum, and aloe. Transform your outdoor space into a verdant oasis with a succulent symphony featuring echeveria, sedum, and aloe. These low-maintenance plants offer a wide range of textures and hues, making them perfect for adding visual interest to any container garden. Echeveria, with its velvety rosettes, brings a touch of elegance to the arrangement. Sedum, with its fleshy stems and star-shaped flowers, creates a vibrant contrast. Meanwhile, aloe, with its architectural leaves and soothing properties, adds both beauty and functionality. Together, these succulents create a harmonious composition that will delight the senses while requiring minimal care. 18. Vertical garden with nasturtiums, petunias, and ivy. If you wish to create an intense focal point against a wall, then this vertical garden using nasturtiums, petunias, and ivy is the perfect choice. The bushy vines of vigorous nasturtiums and tumbling petunias cascade downwards, creating a stunning floral waterfall. The trailing ivy adds fullness and a lush green backdrop, completing the stunning layered effect. Plus, this eye-catching combination is easy to grow, offering a burst of summery blooms throughout the season. 19. Hanging baskets with begonias, lobelia, and fuchsia. Create a vibrant vertical garden by suspending baskets brimming with colorful blooms. Begonia's delicate petals cascade over the edges, offering a touch of elegance. Lobelia adds a jolt of cheerfulness with its vibrant blue or purple blossoms. Fuchsia's graceful blossoms, resembling miniature dancers, add a touch of whimsy. Intertwine these beauties for a symphony of colors and textures that will transform your balcony, patio, or garden into a floral paradise. 20. Repurposed rain gutter garden with geraniums, petunias, and marigolds. Transform old rain gutters into vibrant floral havens. Hang them vertically along a wall or create a railing display. Plant a cascade of bright geraniums, petunias, and marigolds for a stunning visual impact. These colorful blooms will attract pollinators, adding life to your outdoor space. Repurposing rain gutters offers a sustainable gardening solution, giving new life to discarded materials. With a little creativity, you can enjoy an eye-catching and eco-friendly container garden. Thanks for your watching.